Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to adjust general settings in VMware Workstation Pro. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To adjust preferences in VMware Workstation Pro, which apply to the entire application rather than individual virtual machines, follow these steps. Launch the VMware Workstation Pro application on your computer. Click on Edit, then Preferences in the menu bar. You'll see several sections on the left-hand side. Here's what you can customize. Workspace. Set the default virtual machine folder, where VMware Workstation Pro will store your virtual machines. Input. Adjust how the mouse and keyboard interact with virtual machines. Hotkeys. Customize or modify shortcuts for VMware Workstation actions. Display. Manage interface scaling, resolution, and display settings. USB. Configure how USB devices connect to virtual machines. Updates. Choose how and when to check for software updates. Feedback. Opt in or out of sharing anonymous usage data with VMware. Memory. Adjust memory usage for virtual machines and host sharing. Priority. Set the priority level of VMware processes for the host system CPU. Devices. Manage the outrun behavior on the host machine when a virtual machine is running. Once you've made your adjustments, click OK to apply them. These settings impact how VMware Workstation Pro operates globally on your host system, giving you control over the application's behavior and performance. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.